Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, we are here to learn about the web development, web designs, and everything related to web. Here we learn how to create a web page, run it, and design it. So for this purpose, we learn about the HTML, CSS, and Java to function the pages to JavaScript. For functioning of a page to JavaScript, first we just create a folder having all the information about our project, and it's up to you whatever you want to name your folder. Okay, then I just open it, and I have already create some files is html, index html, and so for this purpose you creating for the web page, you just right click. Okay, now I just have to right click and text document. So here I just write some what I want to uh, uh, practice practice. Okay, and okay, this one is HTML. So here I just the file extension unable for, oh sorry, okay, yes, just we have to create a practice folder and just drag it here to place on our Firefox. So look, for Firefox, this one. Okay, so here we have our first our web page. Okay, just run it, web page. Now what we have to do next is about the this is to go to our project and just drag it, open a page. Okay, open a page and just we drag our this page to here. I just have to write already before it to you. Okay, now what I should write on this, I just write something like this and control S, and then I go to my browser. I just go to my browser. There is some issue. Look what I write, it comes to here. Now what is the next thing to do? I just want to go some to decore it, to give some colorful stuff to my code. So what I have to do, I just go there and write my code over here. This is notepad, this is the editor which is used to use for creating. So let's we start with our first code. So just what you want to, okay, and tags, every opening tag have closing tag. So not every, most of the time. So there is a many which are having no. So let's start for the with the headings. Okay, the first uh, okay, okay, let's h1, we have h1, and then is closing h1, then we have h2, then we just have closing h2, then we have h3, and we have closing h3. So these are some tags we have. So just we write some random stuff over here. Yeah, I will just show you the differences. Okay, so there is no worries get. Okay, now controls to save it, go and run it. See, for h1, for h2 and h3, you have your first code is run, your first code is run. Okay, next thing, you if you want to give some color, some to make it this thing to in a different color, this in different and this in different. So what we have to do, we just use style tag, style, okay, equal to, and then in double quotes, then write the property name, color, we are using color, and after that use colon and give the whatever color you want to. So now what happened, this color applied to this statement, okay, this color applied to this. Okay, so what we have do, just run it again, or okay, what is going, I just guess that I not, yeah, this is the, so yeah, it's, so we just write it and this, and we just go to see that the color to every, so here that's normal if you are giving to read the text, then, and this is if you are saying it's a h1 and close h1. Okay, so how it works, yes, look, this become the large, it's become the heading. And for the next, if we are giving to h2, so we just give the h2 to this h2, and this also h2, this is h3, and now this is h3. So for this text, this color is apply on this text, and this tag is apply on this tag. So what is the thing, just look, this is all. So here is our first program, first web page we just write, and we just talk about the heading. For next we heading and paragraph. For the next, you keep watching. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Thank